The blast chiller is SMEG's latest expression of artistry. Traditionally found only in professional kitchens, SMEG's blast chiller is the world's first domestic blast chiller. With a temperature range of -35 to 75 degrees Celsius, reimagine cooking at home with this true multitasker that does so much more than chilling and freezing. Are you too busy to spend hours each night preparing and cooking delicious, healthy, nutritious meals? The blast chiller makes healthy food prep easy. Take advantage of bulk produce and blast chill ingredients for quick and easy meals. Save time and money without compromising quality. Maintain taste, texture, and nutritional value, and most importantly, prevent food wastage. SMEG's blast chiller takes the stress out of dinner parties. Wouldn't you rather spend more time with your guests and not in the kitchen? With the blast chiller, you can prepare impressive, sweet and savoury dishes ahead of time for that special occasion. It will chill wine in minutes too. Believe it or not, you can even cook in the blast chiller. This fillet of beef will be cooked to perfection. Just insert the temperature probe. No turning or basting is required. It is set and forget cooking. Imagine this at your next dinner party. Succulent, restaurant quality beef at home. Easy and fuss-free. Trust the Italians to create the perfect appliance for bread making. The blast chiller takes the guesswork out of proving dough. You can even multi-stage prove dough like sourdough for up to 16 hours per stage, or 1 hour for this focaccia. Oh, and that aroma. The perfect chewy texture and crunchy crust guaranteed. Perfect with aperitivo. Panna cotta is another favourite of the Italians. Normally it takes 6 hours to set. In the blast chiller, using the auto dessert program, the panna cotta will be set in just 90 minutes with the perfect wobble. You never want to run out of cold drinks when entertaining. You can chill up to 12 bottles of wine with the fast chill function. And this must-have kitchen appliance is a dream to clean. Simply wipe out with a fridge cleaner. And no additional power is required. All you need is a standard 10 amp connection. Join the blast chiller revolution and induce some serious kitchen envy with SMEG's world first domestic blast chiller, the ultimate multitasker. Salute!